Here are the reasons why we put the Antec Torque on our top list. Let's take a look at what people saying about it. Elmar Thomas says, "Okay, so I love this tower. I'm a person well known for hating cliches. I love customizing everything and making everything my own. This case is that just it itself. No one will ever have a case like this or anything close. You're able to stand out immediately. As soon as people walk into my home, they instantly notice my PC, and it's almost always an immediate 'what is that?' I love it." Roy Widener says, "Really great looking case. Was easier than most cases to get access during build. Side pieces come off easily to gain extra access. It is big and heavy but lighter than most cases in this category. Mounted a triple fan cooler and Antec RGB front fans, and they are really quiet. It takes up to an ETEX motherboard, which I did use. The paint finish is very durable and the materials used are top quality."